everyone, I hope you are good and enjoying your time. Let's go and try to create this presentation. Let's see how it looks like. It's a 4-slide presentation in PowerPoint. It's looking very amazing. Let's try to create this. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. Our new slide, we need to create these shapes. What are their shapes? They are triangles that you can simply find here. Okay, hold shift and try to create a rectangle and then put it here. Okay, it's good. Our rectangle has been created. Now we need to put our text, these two text. Okay, everything is looking great. The text is created, the rectangle is created, the text is impact and using this effect, this text also using nothing, and the font is also Calibri, but we can choose, for example, something more like Times New Roman, whatever you want. Okay, now we copy this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then we copy the text and paste it here. Okay, it's now in the third time, the third text, we copy that and paste it. And at the end, this end, how we create this thing? It's really an easy one. For that, you need just to install the Overdrive Sunset font and use this shape format. And after that, you go here, format this object here. Format shape, text options, and use the gradient fill and this color. Okay, we create this. Now we need to recreate this. Let's go by green for that. Let's go by dark blue, and here I say it's good to use, let's look, gray. And here I think the dark red is good if we have. Okay, it's good. Now we created everything we needed. We just need to set the shape outline to none, and for the better effect we can give them a right shadow if we want. I'm going to give them a right shadow and no outline as well. Right shadow, where is the shadows? Okay, right shadows, and the end one I'm going to give it a right shadow as well. Okay, now we need to create the effect. I just simply copy every rectangle to here. Okay, triangle, sorry. After copying that, I just simply rotate them to create an inner rectangle. Or okay, now after creating that, I click on all of them and group them. Okay, now I copy the group and delete that and paste it here and just rotate the group. Let's see this slide. Okay, it needs a modification a little. I can make it, if this thing go well. Let's zoom out. It's a snap thing. It has a snap option that's making everything hard for me. Let's try to move it alone. Okay, it's good, I think. Let's see it. Okay, now we copy that thing, delete this and paste it here, then rotate it another time. We have the same problem here. Don't be afraid, just mix it and copy this thing another time and paste it here, then rotate it one last time, then don't afraid, just fix it one by one. Now we have a problem here. Okay, fix it. We select all these three shapes and set the transition to morph. For the first slide, it's an easy one. We just need to insert a slide, copy one of this group here, paste it here, and just simply go to shape format and ungroup them, align them center, align them middle, and put them here. Now we just need to copy the text and paste it here. Okay, now let's run it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything else.